Good morning. So today we are tearing off a tin roof. It's shiplap underneath, or like tongue and groove, whatever. So we can just paper and shingle right away. It'd be no big deal. I don't know, like a little dormer over a doorway that might not have anything but strapping, so we'll have to sheet that. And there might be an area in the back side that we got to sheet as well. But aside from that, it should be a pretty straightforward roof. Kind of looking forward to it. This morning we're just going to start tearing tin off and see where the day takes us. Well, that was a crazy easy tear off. We got all the tin off the entire roof, all three sections of the roof, whatever. It's only 8:30 in the morning. I think we're only looking at like 22 square, whatever, something like that. So it's not really surprising that we got all the tin off that quickly, but it, I mean, if you're tearing shingles off, you can tear until about 9:30. So kind of nice. This might be a day job. We're gonna find out. Alrighty, that's another roof in the books. I think, converting from tin over to shingles just added a whole new look to the roof. I mean, that was like the style of tin that was on. And then, so I mean, big transformation, and I think it looks really good. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next roof.